What up, fam? Let's see what they have in store for us here. Let's see. Well, this one's new. The 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. This is cool. This is the 1933 Ford delivery. Looks like a bunch of pop culture stuff. Here's the 1974 AMC. Nice. 1966 Chevy two-door wagon. Take a look at this one, guys. 2000 Chevy Corvette. It's got some pretty cool livery. And here is Speed Racer's Nemesis. This is Captain Terror's car. Not bad looking. Here's another 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA. Put this one up here. 1933 Ford delivery. Yeah, looks like they put out 2 cases of these. So, alright. Yeah, these are cool and all, but I'm not gonna take any of them. They're just not my cup of tea. But you know me, guys. I like to share with a fellow diecast homies. Take a look at this, guys. This is the 164 Jada Toys Diecast Pink Slips Edition. Here we have the Mercedes-Benz G500. Ooh, this one is really nice. Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Beautiful gold. Definitely gonna take this one. Another beauty, the Audi R8 Spider. Mercedes. Take a look at this one. I know Derek, aka Honest Diecast, is gonna like this one. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So I'm gonna take those. And we have the Jeep Wrangler. Let's see. So here are all the cars that come in this mix, guys. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like to check it out. Lots of nice looking cars here. So gonna take these right here. Guys. Some 2-packs. Looks like the Target Red Chase is gone because one is missing, so somebody was probably here, or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see what else they have over here. Matchbox. Bunch of bed warmers. All right, and nothing new for here. Alright, guys, so it looks like that is it at this store. So I'm gonna be walking out with this Audi R8 Spider, Lamborghini Huracan Coupe, and this awesome Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Alright, guys, I'll catch you in the next store. What's up, fam? We're at it again. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Looks like they put some Hot Wheels out. Hopefully we're not too late. So right off the bat, we see the BMW 507, which is a new casting for 2023. Let's see here. You have the Dodge Viper RT. Don't have this one. We'll be taking this one for sure. Wonder why they left this 82 Toyota Supra behind. I'll take it. Ooh, nice. Here's the 89 Shelby GT500. Not the Super, unfortunately, but cool casting. 72 Stingray convertible. I already have that. Some fantasy castings. This limited grip truck is pretty cool. I know it's a fantasy casting and all, but it's a pretty cool truck. Let's see here. Here's the power panel. Here's the 94 Mustang SVO. They'll have it in black with a green stripe on the side. Here's another tuned 85 Chevy Silverado. See another Mustang back here. Yeah, these cars have already been gone through for sure. Here's this cool Ford Mustang Mach E1400. Nissan Maxima drift car. Chrysler Pacifica. This is definitely a return. The Koenigsegg Camaro. This is from 2022. The recolor of the Batman animated series Batmobile. The Rescue Duty truck. Yeah, all this stuff has already been gone through, unfortunately. But just gonna skim through them. Maybe we get lucky and find some more cool stuff. It's not looking like it, guys. This one is pretty cool. That is pretty much it. So, I'm going to be taking these. Have this one, so this one's staying behind. This one is staying behind as well. And let's move on over here. There's my buddy Jesse. What's up? Say what's up, Jesse. So, peg warmers, Mario Kart. Oh, nice. Looks like they just put these out. Looks like my buddy was checking them out. Cool 1971 Honda. Surprised it's not a chase. These are usually the colors Matchbox uses for their chases, so I'll take that one. Nice. Here's the 70th special edition Porsche. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Ooh, here's a recolor of the 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. I'm telling you guys, Matchbox is killing it with the details on these cars. This is a new release, I believe, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Pretty cool. Here's another cool model. Here's the 1972 Mazda AutoZam. And just a cool ice cream truck. My granddaughter is gonna get this one. And the Jeep Renegade. Keep looking through these. Not much into e-cars, guys, but I have to admit this one looks pretty good in this color. Great detail and everything, but it's gonna stay. Here's another rescue truck. Let's see, dump truck. Here's a Ford Interceptor police car. Stopped collecting these a long time ago. Let's see here. This one is pretty cool, the Tesla Model Y. Let's stay behind. Here's a 1960 Chevy El Camino. Very nice. I like the color and everything. Let's see what else we have. Some more police cars back here. Bag warmer. Let's see, what is this? Okay, this is an Audi. This one's really cool, man. I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. And let's take a look up here. There's another Porsche. And that's pretty much it as far as Matchbox. Let's take a look at the NASCARs. Well, nothing, unfortunately. And let's see, Monster Jam, Hot Wheels. Here's the green light, 2017 Ram 3500. We've seen this before. The 22 Ford Mustang Mach-E, the Bronco. And we have Auto World Tupacs, Tupac Shakurs, bunch of peg warmers. And that is pretty much it, guys. Let's see. Ooh, take a look at this one. 2017 Ford GT from the new Jada Toys, the pink slips. that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. It'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.